Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Home Cooking by On. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pad Thai sauce. Pad Thai is one of my favorite Thai food, and today I'm going to show you how to make the sauce, which is very useful sauce. You can use in another dish as well. For example, son-in-law egg and prawn in tamarind sauce. Okay, let's get started. Okay, these are the ingredients that you need to make pad Thai sauce. So start with water, tamarind juice, chili sauce, palm sugar, fish sauce, red onion, and some oil that we need to cook the red onion. So let's get cooking. First, we need to cook the red onion first. Now we're gonna make the sauce. So some tamarind sauce in, fish sauce, chili sauce, we're using medium heat, so the sauce will not get burned. Now we're gonna use our water to rinse in this chili sauce jar, and gonna clean it up a little bit. So that's our water. Next, palm sugar, I think the sauce is ready now, so we're gonna put in the fried red onion. Then stir through. And let's have a taste. That's delicious. Now you can create your own pad Thai with this sauce. When the pad Thai sauce is completely cooled down, so we can store them in a bottle like this. Thanks for watching. And if you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye!